I want to dedicate this video to my fellow solo travelers, especially anyone planning on backpacking the Philippines solo. This one's for you.
I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Days ago, I left Port Barton and took a very long and uncomfortable van ride from Port Barton to El Nido. So after a very uncomfortable ride, I checked into Frendz Hostel here in El Nido, where I was immediately welcomed to the Frendz Hostel family. I made a beeline up to their rooftop swimming pool and bar, which is amazing, and instantly made new friends while sipping San Miguel beer and watching the sunset. The next day, I signed up for an island hopping adventure here in El Nido. I signed up for Tour C, which meant I was going to be doing an island hopping boat trip with 15 other backpackers from the hostel, going to 4 or 5 incredible destinations out there. We set off here from the main beach in El Nido town, and our first stop of the day was Helicopter Island. And it really didn't matter if you were traveling solo, if you were with your bestie, or you with a group. Everyone on the boat instantly made friends, helped each other take photos, went snorkeling together, jumping off the boat together, and simply just lying and chilling on the beach. We have just arrived at our first island of the day, which is Helicopter Island, known because it looks like a giant helicopter. Some people actually say it looks like a whale, looks like a helicopter, I don't know. Check out this video and let me know what you think. We just have 20 minutes to kill here. Some people are going snorkeling, some people are jumping off the boat, and some are just lying on the beach and enjoying the sunshine. After about 20 minutes chilling on Helicopter Island, we jumped back on the boat and we headed to Hidden Beach, named because it's actually hidden behind these massive cliffs. The boat stops outside and then you swim your way behind the rocks to this amazing hidden beach. Now, there was quite a few people there, but it was still stunning, so beautiful. Perfect place to take dreamy Instagram photos on the beach. Our next stop then was another hidden beach, this one called Secret Beach, and it was a little bit more difficult to get to. You actually had to swim through a hole in a rock, kind of like an archway, to get to this incredible hidden beach. So you swim through this tunnel and then it's this really shallow, crazy blue water. Like, it was so blue, it felt like it was glowing. You swim through and then you're in all these rock pools and there's tropical fish swimming around. And I even went back to the boat and I launched my drone off the boat to try and get a cool aerial shot of this super secret beach. Enjoyed a really delicious lunch on board the boat, cooked by the captain and his helpers, I guess you could say. They have a small grill on the boat, which is amazing, and they cooked pork and chicken and tuna, calamari, squid, just amazing food. And we had this incredible feast on the boat. And then this guy rode up right next to the boat and he was selling beers and Coke in this sort of cool box. So we were able to buy some treats from him. So that was a really nice kind of relaxed afternoon. Then we headed off on the boat again, this time to a shrine, probably my favorite stop of the day. We were the only boat there. The water was insanely clear. Like, it was beautiful everywhere, but the water here at this shrine was amazing. We paid an extra 100 pesos to climb to the top of the rock and look down at this just incredible view. It was just stunning. Then to end the day, we just sailed the boat just across the water to this star beach, another hidden beach. We were the only people there, again, which was amazing. A secret beach, floating in the water, snorkeling, jumping off the boat, chilling out with new friends. Finally, and sadly, it was time to head back to El Nido. But the captain said it was happy hour and handed out like vodka Coke and vodka Sprite. And so everyone enjoyed some drinks as we headed back in that beautiful golden hour, chilling and cheersing with new friends made, and just happy after an amazing day trip here in El Nido. As you can see, solo backpacking in the Philippines does not mean you're going to be solo. It means you have the opportunity to make friends from around the world every single day while enjoying the incredible hospitality and the stunning scenery of one of the most beautiful countries on the planet.